Hi, my name is Natasha Booth, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make a handcuff knot today. So you get your rope and fold it in half. I like to do this on the floor so that I can visualize it better. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a clockwise circle, and then another clockwise circle, and then take the right circle and cross it over the left one. So you have kind of like a pretzel. And now you set yourself up to make 2 slip knots. So you're going to take the inside of the second loop and go under the second loop and grab the inside of the first loop, and at the same time pull. And now you have 2 slip knots, so you can adjust it. And this is used for dragging animals, pretty much dragging anything. Yeah, and then just dress it. You would put like deer legs through here, and you can pull it, and the rest of the rope will keep it taut so it can't get out. I'll do it one more time. All right, fold your rope in half. Make 2 clockwise loops. You cross your right loop over your left loop. Grab the inside of the left loop. Go under the left loop, grab the inside of the right loop, and pull. And then you can adjust it, dress it, and that's what it should look like.